Cash flow is one of the most important parts of running a business, and therefore collecting money at the end of a job, especially in the service industry, is super important. If you have to wait 30, 60, 90, 120 days to get paid, there's a good chance that at some point you're going to run into serious cash flow problems. So today I'm just going to talk about a couple things I do to make sure that I get paid, make sure I get paid on time. The first is just to finish. Actually get the entire job done. Every little thing that you could possibly do needs to be done before you can collect money. Once I'm done, I ask the customer, I go over the job, ask them, hey, is there any questions, any concerns you have? That alleviates any problems in the future of just having people come back and say, well, I didn't really like what you did, blah, 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 blah. Another thing is I try to collect before I leave. So at the end of the job, I have a printer in my truck. I make sure I invoice them at the end of the job, and I actually ask for money. This is super important. Often we feel bad asking for money, but it's super important. Just ask for money. 9 times out of 10, they'll write a check, have the money there. Often someone will give you an excuse, say, hey, yeah, I'll probably be, I'll get you money later, or whatever the excuse is. I always ask them a follow-up, when can I come by then? So if they say, oh, well, I have to go get money from the bank, or I have to get a check or whatever, I ask, oh, when can I come by? And then follow up. If it's been a day or two, follow up, just give them a call, just be like, hey, I'm in your area, just wondering if I can come pick up a check. Keep on it. The sooner you collect money, the better chance that you're going to actually collect. I find when I wait a week, turns into 2 weeks, turns into a month. Pretty soon, person won't call you back. I've had people in the past, just complete radio silence, and I'll end up going to their house, knocking on the door, being like, hey, just came by, wondering if I could collect a check for the job we did. Yeah, so hopefully those tips can help you a bit. Please like and subscribe. Any comments, any questions, share your experiences if you have any. Negative experiences, positive experiences, things you do to collect. That'd be great. Have an awesome day.